Introducing Hydrus cordless pool vacuum, robotic pool cleaner. Equipped with strong brushless high-speed motors, Roker Plus Robot. Has much more powerful suction. Features 2 suction inlets, which is designed to efficiently capture and filter more dirt, leaves and debris with ease. It adopt large capacity rechargeable battery and less consumption brushless motor can work up to 90 minutes. Running time. It helps save time and labor costs, freeing your time for other things. Enjoy a longer lifespan with our upgraded stainless filter screen that resists corrosion and deformation from long-term water flow. Our precision sensor technology allows for quick wall reversing within 5 seconds, saving energy compared to other pool cleaners. So what are you waiting for? Order it now by Amazon.